Hey guys.
Okay, we got a 2019 Dodge Challenger. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. This thing is a beauty. Give you a little tour of the vehicle. Okay, so basically, if somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks or they try to break the window, the alarm will fire off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first rim first. Okay, just armed it again, and then I'll show you on the other side. Basically, what happened to these vehicles when they come from factory, they don't come in with any type of shock sensor. You can literally destroy this whole car. As long as you don't open any of the doors, you're good. So that's how they leave them on full brakes and nothing happens. So the shock sensor is a crucial update to this vehicle if you're planning to keep your rims and tires and actually keep the vehicle as well. So let me do this out right here. Okay, this kit is adds on to the factory alarm. That way you don't have to carry another fob around or nothing like that. It defeats the beauty of just walking up to the car and just opening the doors and push to start if you have to click another remote control. Yes, we do sell the kits. If you're out of state, you can give us a call and we can guide you how to get this done in whatever state you live in. One more testing and it's going to be the window. Okay, this installation was done here in Miami by Auto Alarm Specialist, and we thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.